Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is, are blacksmiths extinct? Hey look, I spotted one!
It's a unicorn! So we get this all the time that, oh, that's a dying art, ain't it? Or, wow, there's not a whole lot of you out there, is there? Right? And things like that. And not so much that's changing a lot now with the advent of like Forged in Fire and things like that. Not necessarily in a good way. You can take it or leave it however you believe on that. But is blacksmithing dead? Is blacksmiths dead?
Yeah, I think the fact that you have, that you'll see, hundreds and if not thousands of followers of these different blacksmithing channels on YouTube is proof in itself. And, not to mention hundreds of individual blacksmithing channels. Yeah.
So here's an exciting thing, and this is how we're going to tie this into the business aspect of blacksmithing. And you can take my opinion or leave it, that's fine. But what is super exciting about that is that means that chances are the customer you're talking to today has never seen a blacksmith. They have no clue what you do. They have no clue what pricing should be. They have no clue what good quality ironwork is. And that is a great point in time for you as a business person to be able to educate that customer. To educate them on what's good ironwork, what's not good ironwork, what will fit into their home decor and what won't. What you do in your special giftings and offerings that you can do in that in your space, whatever it may be, whether you're making hand custom made knives or you're building some sort of architectural piece, right? It is a great time right now to take and be a blacksmith and in business and show everybody that yes, you're still alive, you're still here, you haven't went extinct. It's a long, slow, enduring craft, and it has lasted for centuries.
Yeah, so speaking on that, there is a big opportunity there to educate your customer or potential customers out there. So, if you haven't yet been taking advantage of posting photographs of the processes and explaining a little bit about them, on your social media, or considering opening a YouTube channel and just doing like some product review or some product videos of your own products and kind of how they're made, not a tutorial, but kind of a ornately or cinematic done version of that you can refer people to if they are curious about the process.
Yeah, so, it's an exciting time to be alive as a blacksmith, especially a blacksmith in business for him or herself in these day and times, because there's a lot of interest, there's a lot of curiosity, and you get a chance to share the craft with those around you. And so no, blacksmithing isn't extinct. There's more and more of us every single day, which is an amazing thing. And I'm sure we'll keep on continuing until we can't smith things anymore.
That's right. Blacksmithing population will
probably for the next millennia. So, yep.
So that'll be it for this 3 at 3.
We thank you all for joining us.
Glad to have you coming along.
And as always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.